Hope you're doing great. Now, today I have a magnetron here. It's one of the parts that puts up together a microwave, and it's an essential part in the microwave. Now, the microwave has got various essential parts that make it up to it to work. And in that we have got the capacitor, we have high voltage capacitor, and then we have got a diode, which is also a high voltage diode, and then we have this magnetron here. So generally these are the most components that call for change inside a microwave. So today, in the microwave series, we want to look at this magnetron. Now, this magnetron, it's the component that do the warming of your food. You see, it has got two magnets inside. And we have a terminal here, two terminals where the supply, connects for high volt purpose. It also has these fins. These are fins. The microwave itself, it has got a fan, so these are things that help in the cooling of this stuff because sometimes, most of the time, it gets too hot. Now, let me show you how to test a magnetron. Now, we really have many ways of testing it, but now we are going to use a multimeter to yield this test. Now, first, let me tell you one thing. Now, when testing this using your multimeter and putting it in ohm, so using your multimeter, you will have, first of all, a good magnetron will not short with the body. That's the first thing. A good magnetron will not short with the body, and a bad magnetron will short with the body. So the first thing we are going to do is to test across these two terminals. Now, what you need to do is to turn on your multimeter, and I know they are very much different meters, but you'll have to set your meters here where you see ohm, semiconductors, and the continuity they have put for your diode here, ohm, and a sign of a capacitor. So we should get the values around 1. That should simply tell us that our magnetron is fine. Hope you're able to see. So we have to connect our probes and see what happens. Yeah. So you get nearly there. If you get 0, 0, it's still fine, and 0.1. So other tests could give you around 1 less. So it will give you 1 below. So most times, if the number goes higher than that, then it could be simply mean that your stuff is faulty already. Yes, so it has to give you around that. So it plays around that 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, around there. So everything is fine with this capacitor, but I mean with this magnetron. But now you still have to do some test with the body, because even a faulty magnetron can also give the same test. A faulty one can also give you some. If you only do that, then it can mislead you. Now, you want to put your multimeter in continuity, like that. And then when you short your probes, it will give you that sound. and then that means that you are in continuity. So you need to test between that and the body, and you don't need to get a reading. And also test the other one. You don't have to get a reading. So if if it was faulty, you would definitely get a reading between these terminals and the casing and the body. But if you don't have any there, but you must remember that if you're testing between these two terminals, you could still get the same results for the faulty one and for good one. Okay, thank you very much for watching. It has been a short video, but the next video we will show you how to test a capacitor and a diode. Have a good one, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.